Ever wanted your edge lighting to be more subtle or super bold? Here's how you can change how thick that lighting looks when you get a notification. It's perfect for matching your style or making sure you don't miss important alerts. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, then tap Notification. Next, tap Notification Pop-up Style. Here, make sure it's set to brief because it's required to use Edge Lighting. Tap Edge Lighting Style, and then tap Advanced. Here, you will see the white slider. Slide it from narrow to wide. You might want to set it narrower if you prefer a more minimalist look or don't want the light to distract you while working or watching videos, or go wider if you want something that's super visible even from across the room. Once you have picked your width, tap done to save it. As simple as that. Now your phone lights up just right for your vibe. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.